suppose initially magnetic field is like this. Okay, magnetic field is from left to right. So this is the direction of magnetic field, and magnet is held perpendicular. Here North Pole is there, here South Pole is suppose there. Okay, you can assume North Pole and South Pole anywhere. So direction of magnetic dipole moment will be upward, direction of magnetic field is towards right, and therefore theta 1 is equal to 90 degree. Now finally what is happening, magnetic induction is from left to right, and this bar magnet is rotated by 180 degree. So when it is rotated by 180 degree, what will happen? South pole will go up, North pole will go down, and direction of the magnetic dipole moment will be downward. Okay, magnetic induction will be towards right. So once again, theta 2 is 90 degree. So initially also 90 degree and finally also 90 degree, because rotation by 180 degree is done. So when magnet is rotated by 180 degree, what is going to happen? Initially, if North Pole is above, now South Pole will be on upper side, and therefore work done in this case will be equal to 0. 0 work will be done. Suppose initially magnet is placed as shown in this diagram like this. North Pole is up and South Pole is down, and it is rotated by 90 degree CCW. So how much is the work done? Tell me now. अभी North Pole ऊपर है, South Pole नीचे है. Okay, and it is held perpendicular to the magnetic field initially. It is like this, and it is rotated by 90 degree counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. Counterclockwise means anti-clockwise. So how much is the work done? Tell me now. How much will be the work done? प्लस mb या फिर माइनस mb? Okay, so tell me here, theta 1 will be equal to 90 degree, because initially it is held perpendicular to magnetic field, and theta 2. So what will be the value of theta 2 in this case when it is rotated by 90 degree counterclockwise? When it is rotated by 90 degree counterclockwise, magnetic induction will be from left to right, no problem. Okay, counterclockwise means North Pole will go to the left and South Pole will go to the right. Okay, North will be to left, South Pole will be towards right, and therefore m bar will be towards left. So theta will be 180 degree, na? Theta 2 will be 180 degree, and therefore work done is mb in bracket cos of theta 1 90 minus cos of theta 2, that is 180, and therefore work done is mb in bracket 0 minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1, so work done will be equal to mb. Work done will be equal to mb plus mb. Any doubt in this case? Work done will be plus mb. थीटा 1 थीटा 2 चे व्हॅल्यू व्यवस्थित काढून बघा ना, तुम्हाला आन्सर करेक्टली मिळेल. थीटा 1 थीटा 2 परफेक्टली काढता आलं पाहिजे. थीटा 2 180 डिग्री येणार, हे तरी कळतंय ना? थीटा 1 90 डिग्री कुणाला काय डाऊट आहे का? नाही. थीटा 2 किती येणार? 180 डिग्री, कारण नॉर्थ पोल कुणीकडे जाणार? काउंटर क्लॉकवाईज, अँटी क्लॉकवाईज रोटेशन केलंय आपण त्याचं, बरोबर आहे ना? अँटी क्लॉकवाईज रोटेशन केल्यामुळे नॉर्थ पोल लेफ्टला जाणार, साऊथ पोल राईटला येणार, आणि डायपोल मोमेंटची डायरेक्शन काय येणार आहे? राईट टू लेफ्ट येणार. मग राईट टू लेफ्ट, मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन लेफ्ट टू राईट आहे, दोघे अपोजिट म्हटल्यावर अँगल किती येतो? 180 डिग्री ना. Any doubt in this problem? Okay, so today's session we are going to end here. Okay. From next lecture we are going to continue further part related to the magnetic field. हा पार्ट रिपीट करा. ही फाईल मी तुम्हाला पाठवली ना,